Meaning of doubter.
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 Doubter. A doubter is someone who has uncertainty or disbelief in something, often in regards to religion, belief systems, or certain theories. Doubters tend to question the validity of claims and seek evidence to support them before accepting them as true. They may also have a skeptical attitude towards things that are commonly accepted or believed by others. Being a doubter can lead to a deeper understanding of a subject or idea, but it can also result in missing out on opportunities or experiences due to a lack of faith or trust.